What is up, track stars? Winnie here from AI Tool Tracker, running on zero coffee, unlimited tabs, and one suspiciously clean marketing dashboard. For years, every small business had the same problem. You need a brand identity. Then social media posts, then product photos, then ad creatives, then a landing page, then someone to make everything look like it came from the same company and not 5 different freelancers arguing in Canva. That usually means hiring a designer, a copywriter, a photographer, a marketer, and one person whose job title is just strategy, which somehow costs the most. But now Google has dropped an AI tool called Pomelli, and its entire pitch is basically, give me your brand and I'll make the marketing stuff. Which sounds normal until you realize it can build brand-matched content, campaign ideas, product visuals, and marketing assets from your existing business identity. And yes, it is currently a Google Labs experiment, which means 2 things. 1, it is surprisingly powerful. 2, somewhere inside Google, an intern is probably watching the servers sweat. In this video, I'll show you what Pomelli is, how it works, and how you can use it to create marketing assets without needing a full creative department. Let's get into it.
Pomelli is not just another type a prompt, get a random poster tool. That is the old AI problem. You ask for an ad, and it gives you something that looks like a tech startup, a perfume brand, and a yoga retreat all had a branding accident. Pomelli tries to solve that by first understanding your business. Google calls this your business DNA. Instead of starting with a blank prompt box, Pomelli looks at your brand and tries to understand things like your colors, your fonts, your images, your product style, your tone of voice, your overall visual direction. Basically, it asks, who are you as a brand, before it starts making stuff? Which is good, because most AI tools skip that step and immediately start generating a poster with random gradients and the word elevate in huge letters. No AI, we are not elevating anything today. Sit down.
The first way to use Pomelli is with a website. You paste your business link, and Pomelli studies your brand, colors, fonts, images, products, and tone of voice. Google calls this your business DNA. Basically, Pomelli learns your vibe before it creates anything. So instead of random AI graphics, your campaigns, product visuals, and website assets all follow the same brand style.
That means fewer messy posts, fewer mismatched designs, and fewer, why does this look like 3 different companies moments.
Once your business DNA is ready, Pomelli can generate campaigns. You can choose a suggested idea or type your own brief, like a product launch, sale, seasonal campaign, or social media promo. Then Pomelli creates ready-to-use assets with headlines, copy, images, and layouts. And you can still edit everything: the text, design, call to action, and the final download. So instead of starting from a blank page, you start from a polished first draft. That alone saves a lot of time. Pomelli can also help with product visuals. Instead of planning a full photo shoot with lighting, models, styling, and editing, you can use product images to create polished lifestyle visuals. This is useful for e-commerce brands, creators, boutiques, and local businesses. But please zoom in before using anything. Check logos, product details, and make sure your shoes have not grown 12 laces and a tragic backstory. Still, for testing creative ideas fast, this feels like a mini AI studio. And you do not always need a website. If you're starting a new brand, you can give Pomelli product images, references, and a clear brand description. But don't just write, make it premium. That is not a brief. That is a wish. Tell it your audience, product style, colors, mood, tone, and customer type. The better your input, the better the output. AI is powerful, but it still needs directions. Pomelli can also help create a brand book. That means your colors, fonts, imagery style, tone of voice, and brand direction can live in one place. This is useful when working with freelancers, designers, editors, or clients. Instead of explaining your brand on every call, you can just share the guide.
Pomelli can also help with website style assets and landing page ideas. So the workflow becomes simple: brand identity, campaigns, product visuals, brand guide, website assets. That is basically a mini marketing pipeline. Pomelli is best for small business owners, freelancers, creators, local brands, and marketers who need quick campaign ideas. But it does not replace strategy. It will not fix a weak offer. It will not understand your customer better than you. And every output still needs human review. Use it as a speed layer. You bring the idea, Pomelli helps turn it into assets faster. So here is my honest take. Pomelli is not perfect, but it is very useful. For big companies, this is another AI tool. But for small businesses and solo creators, this can feel like having a small creative team inside one dashboard. You can go from brand idea to campaign assets much faster. And if Google keeps connecting tools like this across ads, website, and images, small brands could start looking much bigger than they actually are. That is why Pomelli matters. Subscribe to AI Tool Tracker for more AI tools that save time, money, and emotional damage. I'm Winnie, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe.